Ciao. Anyway, so
Hi again, so day 25. So as you can see, my hair is natural and pretty short because it's natural, so somehow just go pew like this. I'm not gonna go out in a couple of days and because I'm still sick, kind of. So I decided to let my hair to breathe a little bit without heat, so yeah, that's how I look. Beautiful, right? Anyway, so let's go for day 25. I just finished my day 25 from a while. And I did my morning and my evening meditation last night. Last night I did my chakra balance meditation, but without listening to a guided meditation. I was listening to the meditation music I listen every day before I go to sleep, and I began to bring my awareness, have a little bit of breathing technique, and begin bring my awareness to every chakra, every center, energy center, and I began to something. Anyway, I begin my awareness to every center until I reach my top chakra, and then I fall asleep because I really wanted to sleep. So yeah, that's how I did my evening meditation. So it's not important to do a guided meditation. You can do it by yourself, of course, as you know what you do. And then my morning meditation was a meditation from the inner engineering program from Sadhguru again. So I listened to this program for the third time right now, and somehow when I listen to Sadhguru, especially when I feel like emotionally disturbed or a little bit upset or angry, somehow he brings me calmness into my heart and in my mind. How he talks and how he makes everything so simple is amazing. He has the power to calm me down somehow. So I love listening to him, and every time I listen to him, I just I bring to my awareness something new. So after I was listening to decision 3 to live and to live totally, he had he was talking about the responsibility and how to be responsible. If you are responsible, you choose to be responsible or not, and what is responsibility really means. Anyway, after this program, after the session, there was a meditation for responsibility and how you respond to everything around you, and it was amazing actually. Um, how I felt in this meditation was so beautiful, and how you feel you are responsible for everything, and everything in this universe or multiverse, doesn't matter. It's very important and very beautiful in the same way. So yeah, I did that meditation. It's about responsibility, and it was pretty good. So how I feel right now, I feel absolutely amazing. Amazing, guys. Okay, there's a few updates I just wanna add to my week. Actually, my current reality began to change into the way I wanted it to be somehow. And again, I'm not really focusing on something special. I'm just letting the universe to surprise me in his own way, because universe will do the best thing for you. I just let go of everything in my life and just enjoying the very moments that I live, every moment, just focusing that moment every time. And how I feel about life and how I feel about every moment I live is amazing. So I'm not in this period of this time of my life, I'm not focusing on the future as much as I'm focusing on every single moment I live right now. And I'm letting the future to surprise me in its own way, because I know how when I elevate my vibration or my frequency to the level that I'm feeling so much love and so much joy inside my heart without any other circumstances to control it, I know that the best future will just come to me. I'm gonna attract that future into me somehow. And I know it's the best version of the future I will dream of, even in my imagination. So that's how I'm letting my future unfold in front of me, just focusing on this moment. And I know the next moment and the next moment will be amazing. So yesterday I had a really weird dream, to be honest. Um, it was weird, but after I wake up for a while, I began to understand what really means. Actually, I was dreaming that I was cleaning my bathroom and my tub was so dirty, and I would just keep cleaning it, just in cleaning and cleaning, and was I didn't stop until it's completely clean and beautiful and shine. And it was my current tub that I have right now in my bathroom. And when I wake up, it's just like that's a weird dream. Why I dream that I'm cleaning my bathroom, and after a while, there's some stuff happened and like some like the messages from universe, and then I realized okay, maybe this is a sign that I'm doing the right way. I know I'm doing the right way, but it's just like a confirmation that I am cleaning the stuff in my life that needed to be cleaned, in my soul and in my brain, and clean my cupboards, to be honest, like taking off all the bad things that I had inside. It doesn't mean that to be like evil or something, but from traumas and all this stuff, I'm cleaning everything out and just having a very new beautiful start again. So that's how I interpreted my dream. And okay, I just wanted to mention my dream because it's a really weird dream, to be honest, and at the same time, maybe it's related somehow. So it's possible, I believe in the universe messages. So it's possible the universe will give you messages to tell you if you are in the wrong way or right way. So, like, open your mind up and open your heart to listen to these messages and take it to heart and understand that. That's very important, and I believe in universe messages, and somehow I know that was a message for me that I'm like doing the right thing, or I'm already cleaning the dirt that I had inside. Everyone has a little bit of dirt, even when little girl, the dark shadow work, and we need to clean everything inside. Everyone has like a dark side, has some dirt need to be cleaned. That's normal. There's no human being on this earth doesn't like have 100% clean slate, but just the babies. Even the babies have that from the parents anyway. So yeah, for this day it's amazing, and I'm enjoying every moment, and I'm feeling so much happy, like so much happiness, that even with doing nothing, I'm just like here by my own, and I can go out to enjoy the Eid with any one of my friends, and it's just sick and do nothing. I'm still so happy. So let's go to